How to delete all Facebook account without password, email, phone, and username. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. Open the Facebook application on your device and tap on the search bar. Now search for the profile you want to delete. Once you have opened the profile, tap on the three dots you see beside the message button. You will see the option for Report Profile. Tap on that. Now tap on the Pretending to be someone option and then tap on Me option. Now tap on Submit and then tap on Next. Unfriend, unfollow, and block the profile from your account and tap on Dot. You can also ask your family and friends to do the same, and the profile will be deleted once a bunch of people reports the account. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.